Hack it yourself. Meow.
Welcome to our channel where we will unveil some incredible routine hacks that will completely transform your mornings and set you on the track to success. Mornings can be a struggle for many of us, but with the tips and tricks we will share with you today, you will be able to maximize your productivity, energy levels, and overall well-being. Join us on this journey to revolutionize your mornings and unlock your full potential. Good morning and welcome to our channel. Are you tired of starting your day feeling lethargic and unmotivated? Have you been searching for ways to make your mornings more productive and fulfilling? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your mornings with some life-changing routine hacks. Get ready to kickstart your day like never before. Our mornings set the tone for the entire day. By implementing these transformative routine hacks, you can take control of your mornings and supercharge your productivity. Let's dive into these life-changing tips. Hack 1. Wake up early. The first hack is all about waking up early. By giving yourself some extra time in the morning, you can establish a calm and peaceful start to your day. Use this precious time to engage in activities that bring you joy, such as reading, meditating, or exercising. Remember, waking up early doesn't have to be a daunting task. Gradually adjust your sleep schedule and make waking up early a consistent habit. You'll be amazed by how much more you can accomplish each day. Hack 2. Plan ahead. Our second hack is all about planning ahead. Take a few minutes each morning to map out your day, set clear goals, and prioritize your tasks. This will help you stay focused, organized, and ensure that your day is filled with purpose. By planning ahead, you'll eliminate the stress of decision-making and stay on track towards achieving your goals. Make planning a part of your morning routine and watch your productivity soar. Hack 3. Energizing morning rituals. Next up, we have energizing morning rituals. Fuel your body and mind with a nutritious breakfast, full of vitamins and nutrients that will provide you with sustained energy throughout the day. Additionally, incorporate movement into your morning routine, whether it's a quick workout, yoga, or a walk outdoors. Physical activity boosts endorphins, increases alertness, and sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Hack 4. Digital detox. In our modern world, we're constantly bombarded by notifications and distractions. Our fourth hack encourages you to take a digital detox in the morning. Allow yourself some precious time away from screens and social media. This period of disconnection will not only enhance your focus and mental clarity, but also allow you to connect with yourself on a deeper level. Embrace this quiet time and experience the power of being present. Hack 5. Gratitude and affirmations. Our final hack revolves around cultivating gratitude and affirmations. Take a few moments each morning to express gratitude for the blessings in your life. This simple practice shifts your mindset towards positivity and abundance. In addition to gratitude, affirmations can help you build confidence and set positive intentions for the day. Repeat empowering statements that resonate with you, such as I am capable, I am deserving, and I am unstoppable. Congratulations! You've learned some incredible routine hacks to transform your mornings. By implementing these strategies into your daily routine, you'll optimize your mornings for success, productivity, and overall well-being. Get ready to unlock your full potential every single day. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you found these routine hacks helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and notifications for more life-changing content. Have a fantastic morning, and remember, you have the power to make every day extraordinary. Thanks for watching. Please comment your ideas below. While you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tips and life hacks.